how to add timer or stopwatch or timestamp on video in Capcut PC. First, import the video footage to the timeline. After that, import the stopwatch file also. I have already made a video how to make stopwatch video in Capcut PC. You can check out from there. I'll also put the video link in the description. To make the text white, change the blend mode from normal to brighten. To add a boundary to the stopwatch, change the blend mode from brighten to overlay. Go to mask option, select add mask, then select rectangle and position it properly. To select only the part of the stopwatch you want to show, go to the mask again and resize it. To change the text color, go to adjustment and then curve. Let's see the preview. So that's how you can add timer or stopwatch or timestamp on video in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.